To clean fake plastic plants, sweep away loose dust with a feather duster, or vacuum them with a soft brush attachment. You can also soak them in warm water or wipe them down with a damp microfiber cloth. If you use water, let the plants air dry or pat them down with a clean, dry cloth. Disinfect your plant by spraying it with an ammonia-based window cleaner. Let your plant sit in the sunlight for 30 minutes to dry. For silk plants, remove excess grime by putting the plants in a plastic bag with about 1/2 cup of salt. Seal the bag and shake it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then take the plant out and shake it upside down to remove all the salt. Before using other cleaning products on silk, like water and white vinegar, test the cleaner in an inconspicuous spot to make sure it doesn't damage the color.